Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to mask text on Adobe Express. This technique allows you to create stunning text effects where your background image shows through the letters, giving your designs a professional and eye-catching look. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access the platform. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage where all your design options are available. Now let's start creating. Click on Start New Design, which will open up various size options for your project. From the menu that appears, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to choose dimensions that work best for your specific needs. Once you've set your preferred dimensions, click Create New File to begin working on your canvas. With your blank canvas ready, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This opens up a menu of different elements you can add to your design. From this menu, select Media. The media section is where you'll find all the visual elements needed to build your mask text effect. Navigate to the Photos tab within the media section. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Use this search bar and type background. This will pull up a variety of background images that you can use for your text masking effect. Browse through the options and select your preferred background image that will eventually show through your text. Once you've added the background to your canvas, you'll want to resize it based on your preferences. Click and drag the corners of the image to adjust its size and position it exactly where you want it on your canvas. This step is important because the placement of your background will determine how the final mask text appears. Now it's time to add the text element. In the left panel, click on Text, then click Add Your Text. A text box will appear on your canvas with default formatting. To make your text stand out, you'll want to choose a bold, impactful font. Navigate to the Recommended Fonts section and click View All beside it. This opens up the complete font library where you can browse through hundreds of different typefaces. Select your preferred font style that works well for masking effects. Generally, thicker, bolder fonts work best for this technique as they provide more surface area for the background to show through. Click the text to edit and rename it to whatever message you want to display. Once you've typed your text, you'll need to resize it to make it prominent enough for the masking effect to be visible. Click and drag the corners of the text box to increase its size until you're satisfied with how it looks. In the left panel, click the color picker to select your preferred color for the text. While you might think color doesn't matter for a mask, choosing the right shade can affect how the background blends through the letters. Now comes the crucial part for creating the mask effect. Navigate to the opacity option and click it. You'll see a slider appear that allows you to adjust the transparency of your text. Use the slider to adjust the opacity level. As you move the slider, you'll notice the background image beginning to show through the text, creating that beautiful masked effect. Experiment with different opacity levels until you achieve the look you're going for. And there you have it, you've successfully created masked text on Adobe Express. This simple yet powerful technique can elevate your designs and make your text truly stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.